Welcome to Riko's reading room. Today I'll read an enchanting book called When Grandpa Gives You a Toolbox. I hope you love it. When Grandpa Gives You a Toolbox. Written by Jamie L.B. Deenihan. Illustrated by Lorraine Rocha. You wanted a special house for your dolls. But surprise, it's a toolbox. What should you do when Grandpa gives you a toolbox for your birthday? First, be patient. Grandpa will want to show you every single tool. Next, compliment Grandpa as he shares photos of all the projects he's built since he was a kid. Once Grandpa runs out of stories, give him a hug, say thanks, and tell him you're off to find a special place to keep your toolbox. Do not launch it into outer space, feed it to a T-Rex, or tie it to a wrecking ball. There are plenty of hiding spots right in your own backyard. It will be easy to forget about Grandpa's toolbox until you meet someone in need and have an idea. Maybe Grandpa's toolbox will be useful just this one time. As a new builder, you'll want to find an experienced project manager to help you get started. Together, you'll create a plan and gear up. Safety first. With guidance and lots of practice, you'll discover that you're actually quite handy. Your neighbor won't complain about the noise, though she will ask for help with repairs and recommend you to all her friends. At the end of the day, they'll offer to pay you. But you'll have an even better idea. You and Grandpa will work together measuring and sawing, drilling and hammering, gluing and painting, until finally you've built exactly what you wanted. A special house for your dolls. And plans for your next project too. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have an awesome day. See you soon.